In today's video, I'll show you a simple way to install the Gemini desktop app on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Let's go straight to the point. First, open your web browser, preferably Google Chrome. Once it opens, go to gemini.google.com. Normally, when you visit some web apps, you may see an install icon next to the bookmark icon in the address bar. However, for some web apps, this option doesn't always appear. No worries, follow along and I'll show you how to install it manually. Click on the three-dot menu at the top right corner of your browser. This opens a menu with several options. From here, scroll down and hover over Cast, Save and Share. Then click on Install Page as App. A pop-up will appear asking you to confirm the installation. You can give the app any name you want. I'll leave mine as Gemini. Now click Install. Congratulations! You now have the Gemini app installed on your Windows desktop. You can find it in your Start menu or directly on your desktop for quick access. Let's close the browser and take a look at the shortcut. Here on the desktop, we have the Gemini app shortcut. We can right-click on it and choose Pin to Start. Let's do that. Now let's check the Start menu. There it is. We can also right-click on it again and choose Pin to Taskbar. Let's do that as well. Perfect. Now let's open the app. And that's how easy it is to install the Gemini desktop application on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. I really hope you found value in this video. If you did, go ahead and give it a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or if there's a tutorial you'd like me to make next. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe to Zimist Coded for more helpful videos like this every single week. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.